Good afternoon, students. Today's subject EVS 2. Chapter number 14. The fort is captured, but the lion is dead. Jijamata's wish. The 23 forts which Shivaji handed over to Jai Singh were still in the hands of the Mughals. Kondana was one of these 23 forts. One day, Jijamata said to Shivaji, Shiva, it is not safe to leave the strong Kondana fort in enemy hands. You must recapture it. Shivaji was thinking on the same lines. He was very unhappy that Kondana was in Mughal hands. Both Shivaji and Jijabai Sahib were very unhappy about it. It was like a thorn in their side. Shivaji started making his plans for the recapture of Kondana. Who could be entrusted with this task? It was very difficult to capture Kondana. Tanaji's valor. Tanaji was Shivaji's comrade right from the beginning. He came from the village Umrati near Mahad in the Konkan. He was ever ready to put his heart and soul into any work assigned to him by Shivaji. He was passionately devoted to Shivaji. Kondana's marriage first. Tanaji was busy making preparations for his son Reba's wedding. Everyone in the house was busy with the marriage preparations. The marriage was only 4 days away. Tanaji thought that he would go and invite Shivaji Maharaj and Ma Sahib to the wedding. Accompanied by Shilar Mama, he went to Shivaji Maharaj to give him and Ma Sahib his personal invitation to the wedding. On receiving the invitation from Shilar Mama, Shivaji said, Shilar Mama, you go back and celebrate the wedding. I'm sorry I shall be unable to attend. I have decided to lead a campaign for the recapture of Kondana. As soon as Tanaji heard this, he said, Maharaj, do you propose to undertake this difficult and dangerous campaign while Tanaji is still alive? Then what is the use of person like me? This will not do. I shall first perform the marriage of Kondana by capturing it. Reba's wedding can wait. You must allow me to lead this campaign and give me your blessings for its success. Now the battle of Kondana took place. You can see the picture, children, carefully. What was Tanaji's plan for the battle? Tanaji's plan. With these words, Tanaji charged off the campaign and left for Kondana. The fort was then under the immediate control of Udaiban, a Rajput officer appointed by Jai Singh. There were two entrants with these words. Tanaji charged off the campaign and left for Kondana. The fort was then under the immediate control of Udaiban, a Rajput officer appointed by Jai Singh. There were two entrants to the fort. Both were heavily guarded by Udaiban's men. Tanaji quietly made a detailed inspection of the fort on the western side. There was a steep precipice where there were no guards. Tanaji decided to attack from that side. He explained his plan to his younger brother to the fort. Tanaji decided to attack from there. Now children, in this picture you can see by now Surya ji had reached the Kalyan gate. He waited there for the doors to open. The battle on the fort started. Udaiban heard of the attack. The battle drum was sounded. Udaiban's garrison attacked Tanaji's men. A grim battle started between the two forces in the light of dancing torches. The Mavlas opened the doors of Kalyan gate. Tanaji was fighting like a brave lion. Udaiban attacked him. Both were very brave and the battle between them was very, very fierce. Tanaji's shield was broken, so he tied his upper garment around his defending hand to parry Udaiban's blow and continue the fight. In the end, both were mortally wounded and fell fighting. So Kondana became Sinhagad in memory of the great warrior who gave his life to recapture it. This event took place in 1670. Later on, Shivaji Raje personally went to Umrati and performed the wedding of Raiba. Tanaji Malusare. Shivaji Maharaj expressed his sorrow in a single sentence. The fort is won, but the lion is dead. Thank you, children.